Welcome back to Achievement Isles.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I am back with Anna. I have no idea what we're doing.
Yep, pretty much.
What's our goal for today? It's actually an achievement. It's an achievement to waste the durability of a diamond hoe completely.
Yup.
So I'm very, very close to getting mine. Because I've just been
I
hoeing
found a cat.
everything. I wonder if there's
No, no, please run away.
I wonder if there's more cats. No, not my diamond hoe. Yeah, it is a very weird achievement, but yeah, it is one that we have to do. So I figured
Please
while
come
we're like
out.
in a bunch of random places or whatever, I would just tow away. So.
Oh, it's getting there. It's really getting there. Oh, it's a bunny.
Oh, hi, Bunny. I thought that was a cat for a second. I just saw it
Oh,
running.
it's a kitten. Oh no, I can't scream.
Oh, cat, 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 cat.
Where?
I taped it. I taped it.
Yes.
Okay, so I've got a
Did
white
you kill that
cat.
one?
Yes.
Oh, that was the one that ran away from me. You didn't like me.
It didn't like you. I'm sorry.
Yeah. There was a different one. It was like white and orange, I think.
I think my hoe's gonna break soon. I'm so excited to not have to hoe everything. Oh, there it is. There's a cat. There's a cat. There's a cat. Go, 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 go.
Where,
Right there, right there.
where?
Right there. There?
I lost. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. I see. Oh, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Love me. Love me. Love me, kitty. It's running away so fast. Cat, no. Cat. Cat, why are you doing this to me?
Are you gonna be okay? Seems like you're having a roller coaster with this cat.
It won't. Like it won't take them. I'm spamming it, and it won't love me.
Seems like you're having.
I
Oh!
have a cat. I have a cat.
Guess who got the achievement for the demo? Hoe?
Oh my god.
Okay. Anyway, cool.
We need to run to the village.
Yeah, let's go back to the village and sleep.
There's a baby zombie chasing you.
Excuse you, demon child. I did not ask for you. Is Anna okay over there? That's a question I wasn't sure about either. I'm sleeping.
But in here, there's
Oh!
not.
My kitty's sleeping on my lap. Oh.
Why are there no freaking beds?
It's making purring noises.
Oh my god, there's a bed
Oh.
in here. Get out. Get out.
That
There's monsters nearby.
Just move it. Just move it.
Oh,
Come over here in my house. It's safe. The door's open.
Okay. Hello.
Look at my cat. Oh, your cat's gonna do it too. Oh gosh. I'm outside of the house.
Your cat's still in here.
Cool.
He's sitting, so you should probably pick him up.
Yeah, that's the only kind of annoying thing about villages is they sit on all of the beds.
Kitty, no.
I'm
Kitty, Kitty, where are you going? Why are you walking away from me?
I don't know.
Oh my god, it's so close.
I'm just watching you. How's everybody's Friday? Did you guys do anything exciting today?
My cat is following me like you're crazy.
Yeah, I know. The cat's like, why are you doing this? Yeah, no, I'm literally staring at you waiting for you to get it.
It's so close!
Oh
my god.
I didn't want to do that.
Come on. There we go!
Yeah, serious dedication! You know the nice thing about cats is we can hit each other and not have to worry about them attacking each other, I'm pretty sure.
Look at them, they're so cute.
Can you breed 2 different colored cats and get a different one?
You could try.
I only got 1 piece of raw salmon.
I got 4.
I mean, you can try it and see what happens. Or we're just gonna have an extra cat that...
They're making a baby.
No! Well, you need that one, though.
Yeah, I do need that one. So now I have 2. So that's good.
Now you have 2. I wonder, where is that one at?
There you go. I don't know if you can breed them again right now.
No, I'm gonna get the same one as you. I've got 1 of 11, and you should have 2.
Man.
Yeah, I would get the same color combo.
I don't think it's tamed. I can't sit it down.
Is it mine? Oh my god, it's mine. But I only have 1 of... Oh no, do you have 1 too?
I should have 1 because I've got this thing. Where is it?
It's under the husbandry, the hay bale.
Yeah, I only have one.
No! Why? Why does Minecraft
Why does it
do
know
that?
that?
Why?
That's so weird.
How can you tell? Like, if I tame this, will this be your cat or probably not? It'll be mine.
I don't see you though.
I'm not quite at the. My cat's drowning! No, my baby cat! No.
Did you kill your cat?
My baby cat drowned. Why did baby cats
not
drown? Why do baby cats drown? Oh, I'm sad.
Is there another blast furnace?
There's a black cat there, Anna.
Right
there.
Kitty?
Yeah, here, I'm gonna split these with you.
Yes. Yeah, we kind of need to tame the cats before they run away.
Where did it go? It's right there! It's right there! It's right there!
I got it! Come here, kitty! Come here! 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 You want the fish? I know you do. Oh, I'm eating it on accident. I mean, I'm not. I'm spamming it.
Oh.
Oh, I have a kitty!
Yay!
Yay! Come here, kitty. I got 2 cats now.
Ooh. Potatoes, emeralds, and apples. Oh, Anna, there's another one of the white cats here. Like, just like mine.
Oh my god.
So you have to tame it.
I stole a fletching table. I don't know what it is. But I took it.
Stop what you're doing and go straight forward. And a little bit to your left is where I am. Hi! There's a kitty over here. There. Right by that farm. Up there.
I'm a crazy cat.
Although I should have I should have tamed the black one so that you could have that one. Oh well.
We didn't realize. Come here, come here,
I just saw it and I was like, I'll let you tame the first one and then don't all
Does he
of
just
them
move?
seem familiar?
There's a village over there, I think.
Oh.
I don't know if it's the same one we were at or what.
I'm gonna die if it's the same one we were at. We just
I don't
circled
think it
somehow.
is.
Dang!
I
Got
think
lucky though.
it's different.
Good.
More cats.
More kitty cats. More kitty
More
cats.
cats,
Hopefully
more
there's
cats, more cats.
a new one and then a breed that you have that I can get.
Right? Yeah.
Because that would work perfectly.
You have all the fish, so you can tame first. Ah, creeper. You need to sleep, I love the creeper.
Oh, there's a black cat. There's a black cat. There's a black cat. It's different than your black cat, though. It's a pure black cat. And
I found 2 white cats.
Oh, and there's a gray one there.
Oh, wait. Is that a gray cat?
Yes. Okay, here, come in this house. There's villager beds we can steal.
Here.
Other side.
I found it.
Oh, no. Now all of our cats are going to get stuck in all the beds here.
Oh, no, not again. That's my cat.
I've got...
I have to, see if it runs away.
I know, right? It's really hard to tell with the... Which one's ours and the collars and... Okay, I'm going to go tame this gray one over here if I can catch it. No. No, come here.
I'm so sorry, villagers. We're kind of ruining your village.
There's a black cat too. Come here. I want to tame both of you.
You have a cat army.
Come here. Get this gray one. Come here. Ah!
He's right there. I see him.
I know. He stops for a moment and looks at me and I'm like, okay, I might be able to get him. And then I can't.
Right, and then he runs.
No!
That was happening with my black cat.
I can't run. I'm hungry.
I just look in a house and I see a bed that's broken, just floating.
Floating.
That's a creeper. That is a creeper.
We should be fine.
It's not. It's coming at me. Killed it.
No, come here. I've been chasing this cat for 400 years. Just tame it. Oh, come on. I'm going to chase it into the freaking water. That's fine. I think I can tame it easier. Yay! Okay, cool. I've got the gray one. Do you want to tame the pure black one, or do you want me to tame it?
You can tame it.
Okay. So then we'll have 3 and 3.
I literally already have 3 cats.
Where's my gray cat?
There's an orange cat.
Oh.
Tamed with one fish. I have another cat.
Nice. A new breed as well?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like a tabby cat, like or not
Okay,
like the other
awesome.
one that I had. So he's mine now. He was
Yeah.
trapped in like a fence with animals.
Oh.
So he's mine. I rescued him.
Aw, I have got
Wait,
3.
where did my There's only 3 here now.
Yeah, I've got 3 now.
Cat, where did you go? He's trapped. Your
Yeah.
gray cat was pushing me.
You just want to give you a love push. Okay, now we've got to sit all of our cats down and get them through the portal.
Yep.
I wonder if I just walk. Ah! If you just walk through, they just teleport into it. Okay, I've got 2 of mine in. I just gotta get my other tan one in.
There you go.
There we go. All 3 of mine are in. I'm going in to make sure it's a
Hey, kitty, come
safety.
here. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go first.
Oh my god, we spawned in a fortress.
Oh, how safe is that? Where did all my cats go?
No, kitty.
I only see 2 of my cats.
2 of your cats are in the portal.
Oh, okay.
3 of your cats are in the portal.
Perfect. There's one more. Come on, kitty.
Oh, today would have been your last day.
Wow.
That's sad. Make sure you sit all your kitties up.
Okay, I think they're all here.
Yes, I have 4 of your cats, and my 3 are already sitting up.
Come here. There's 2 in the portal. I'm not a fan. How do I get them out?
Okay, my 3 are all here, so you should just
get them out?
just set them up. They aren't gonna go through again.
Oh.
Sad, but you know.
I can't set them up.
Yeah, we're putting our cats to the nether. I don't know. You can't set them up? Okay, hold on. Oh, shoot. Try now. No! I think my cat went through!
No.
Shoot. I'll be back.
Oh, no.
Oh gosh, we spawned in a different spot. Okay.
Oh?
No. Cat.
No, cat. Cat, don't go through. Oh my god. Sister. Okay, good.
Come here, cat.
Come here. No, sit. It's cat. Stop it.
Okay,
Don't go to...
you gotta go back in the portal. Come here. Okay, my cat went through. Cool. Okay, all 3 of my cats are here. All 4 of your cats are here. Whew. I am playing with my friend Anna.
Hi, that's me. Sit up.
Yeah. Ooh, your cats are going back towards the portal.
Cat, stop.
We haven't gotten the achievement yet, so I wonder. Okay, now we have to be very, very careful because if like one of them lights on fire, we're kind of screwed. Oh wait, no, we've been here. Look, our torches.
Is this our fortress? Oh.
This is our fortress by our portal. We didn't unfortunately travel enough, which is fine, but at least we're right here.
Right.
Because
It's better for our cats.
yeah, it's better for our cats at least.
We'll get the cats home and then we'll go.
Okay, watch out. There's a spawner right there. Just run past it.
I'm really stressed.
Lava.
What do we permit? Where did you...
Cute! Okay, I put the lava out. It's fine.
Yeah, we've definitely been here. This is another what's called.
Oh. Yes. Now we just gotta figure out how to get out to where our portal is. I'm stressed. I have all 3 of my cats.
Wait, I found it. I just found where we came from. Right here. This is the way we went. Remember Devin's staircase.
What?
Jessica.
Yes! Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes!
There's a pigment in it, but that's fine.
That's fine. We'll just ignore him.
Hey, buddy, what's up? How you doing?
Hey, oh, hey!
Don't. Just put.
We're gonna push him all the way. No!
We gotta dig into the mountain more and just go that way.
Okay, I've got my 3 cats sat down. Perfect.
Sit. No. Sit.
Because there's like magma blocks and everything here.
Yeah, this is not safe. Devin did not make a safe.
No.
Three is my.
Devin
Three,
brought the
where's my black cat?
dangerousness to us all.
Where's
No!
my
My
black
pickaxe! Oh no, I've got a diamond pickaxe.
no,
Okay.
No, let's do our black cat.
What?
Where's my black cat?
I don't know.
Where?
My black cat's
Your
here.
black cat? I don't know where mine is.
I'm gonna have to use the diamond pickaxe. Yeah!
Is he up higher, maybe?
We're trying to safely bring some cats home.
Don't push my cat, you stupid pigman.
We're a little bit stressed about it, we're not gonna lie.
Oh, just a little.
As long as we don't walk close to the water and we're careful and we don't run, maybe
The
we just
water?
walk. The water, yes. The water that's on
Water.
fire. The
fire
water
water.
fire. Okay, I've got my 3.
That's up here. Okay, come on.
Wish us luck, wish us luck, wish us luck.
Ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl. We gotta, like, not push each other. You love water
Yeah.
fire? Thank you. Oh god, they're teleporting us. This is oh! Ay, 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 ay. Okay, it's okay. Everything's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Oh my god, what the cat was on the other side of the wall? What is your problem, gray cat? Okay, I've got 3.
I have 4.
Oh.
Who needs the lava?
Now we just have to find our portal.
I don't think we were that far.
Nope, there it is, there it is, there it is. Watch the column of water. Fire?
And fire. There's fire. Can you put out the fire?
I don't want to go near it. No! Why? 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 Oh my god, I heard her cat making damaged cat noises.
Set them down here.
There's so much panic in my voice right now. I'm very panicked. Okay. Okay, everything should be safe now.
Just fall off.
Okay, cats, come here. Come here, kitties. Come here, you gotta go through it, loves.
Go through.
1,
Go. Oh, shoot.
2,
There you go, 2.
3. My third one go through? I think so.
I don't know.
Okay, you stand on the other side. I'll push your cats through.
Come here, kitty.
Oh, never mind. Your
1,
cats are all just gonna walk through
3.
apparently. Kitty, go in. There you go. Woo! No way. All of our cats made it. How? It's nighttime.
Time to go to bed. Bedtime right now. Bedtime.
I'm sorry,
my
dog.
I'm just at sleep.
Ooh,
my
we
God,
did it.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
Okay. Sit. 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 There's none by the portal.
There's a creeper.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. Just stop moving. Oh god.
I'm inside. You know. I bet it's sitting on the bed actually.
So otherwise it went back through the portal. No!
Oh.
My cow pen.
What did you blow up?
The cow pen. In the side of the cow pen, really.
Oh, is it on this path? No, is it downstairs? I think it would have gone downstairs.
It's either downstairs or it went back through the portal. I can go check through the portal really quick.
It's not down. Around the back.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Hi, kitty.
There's quite literally a ghast, like right outside our portal in the Nether. So that's fun. Look at all of our hay bales. Should we go tame some horses really quick?
Yeah, we can.
Let me go downstairs and get another saddle. And then bring some hay bales because we'll need to breed them, I'm pretty sure. I think there's horses this way.
I think there should be. Or somewhere in this plains.
I was gonna say, I thought there was. Ah, there's some.
Nice. Yay, this one loves me too.
Because yeah, I need to tame.
I don't know,
You don't have to tame
go.
every. There's a donkey over here. There's two
Oh my god,
donkeys.
tame the donkey.
There's 2.
We're gonna have to breed donkey.
Yeah, we are because we have to get a mule, don't we?
You have my saddle. Yeah, I think so. Are you the tamed one?
I got that donkey.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to come back and get
I'm
this other
bringing.
donkey in a minute.
Yeah, I'm bringing my horse back right now. We don't have any leads. Kind of unfortunate. Okay, my horse is going in with the cows for the moment.
Cool.
Oh, oh, I see a wandering village.
Oh, we need the
Zombie.
llamas. We need the llamas,
Yeah.
and we need the saddles.
I'm
Not the
right
saddles.
here.
The leads.
But where is he? The
He's
donkey.
straight that
He's
way.
this way.
Yep.
He is this way.
Uh huh. And then to your left a little bit. I don't want to kill him because
We're kind of close to the village.
yeah. And also these llamas would be mad, and then I'd have to wait until they would calm down.
Yeah.
So, what does he trade? Okay, glowstone, cornflower, light gray, poppy,
I
cyan
really
down.
hate these tall grass.
Podzol. Should I
I
just
don't
kill
see the
him?
donkey.
Just kill him and then come back for the llamas later?
Do it.
Okay.
I found some more bees, but I don't see the donkey.
Ow!
Where the heck did you find this donkey?
I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh god! They spit at each other. Don't do that. Right here is where I went across. Where's your buddy?
Right here.
Okay, well I was talking about the llama, but
Where?
right there was where. Oh, here's the llama. Here.
This is all
Is
big. Ah!
that a creeper?
My donkey got yeeted. My donkey's over there now. He's going back to the other side. That's unfortunate.
No, I went right here, Anna.
Oh my goodness.
No! Here, take the
I'm
llamas.
lagging.
Take the
Oh,
llama.
goodness.
Take the llamas.
Okay.
I should travel your
Where's
donkey.
the lead? There we go. Got it.
There we go. Oh my god, that one's got an enchanted bow. Oh god.
Oh.
Anna, this is bad news.
I'm in a hole. I'm in a hole.
There's like 50.
Do not come down this hole.
Why? There's like 50 creepers and like 20 spiders. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna get to the house and drop the donkey off.
I'm lagging like a lot.
Because otherwise.
Why am I lagging? Like, I can't hit these zombies.
I don't know.
I'm having a good time.
Creeper behind you! Creeper behind you!
I have the lead.
Okay.
I'm just going inside.
You are lagging. I can see you
I know, it's
lagging.
really bad.
Oh no.
That's right.
I need to go get a regular horse really
What?
quick. And then I think we've got everything we need to start breeding and everything. You want to start building a thingy then? Or do you want to
Are you good?
Yeah, I was just riding a horse and a creeper just slided up next to us like, "Hey, what's up? What you guys doing?" And I was like, no, thank you. Sir, I'm trying to mind my own business and ride a horse. What's going on over here? We just tamed a bunch of animals and we are going to make some little pasture areas to put them in, just fences. Oops.
Okay, I think we should do. This is what I'm thinking for the design.
Oops, that's
If I will stop lagging. So, like,
hold on, I'm coming down.
and then.
Ooh, I like
And then
that.
something on top of it, Mom?
Maybe leaves?
Or just leave it like that. Yeah, we could do leaves. That'd be cute.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. Okay. Oh, you started on the... Okay. I'm going to start on this side. Back here. Unfeed. Don't unfeed
That
me.
looks
Don't suck the
fine.
nutrients from me, you guys. I'm gonna start with some leaves. We like the leaves on top then?
I don't know. I didn't look, but
If you want to come over here, you
probably.
can see it.
Okay, where's it?
Just on the other side where you're gonna anticipate a gate. The only not cool part is it disconnects all of the where are you?
I don't know.
Oh, you went all the way over there. I was just
Hello.
right here. The only kind of annoying thing is it disconnects all the fences.
What if we did? Oh, just slabs? Like if we did like. Oh.
Oops. Oh, it still does it as well.
Oh, dang
Do we care or?
it. I don't know.
I think it looks nicer when they're not connected like that.
Right, I think so too.
Okay, maybe we'll just
Let's
do
just leave
this.
it,
Yeah.
I guess. That works.
Okay.
Oh, that's a creeper being
Oh!
creepy. Oh my gosh. I'm hurt.
That was a really delayed response, to be honest.
Yeah, it's because I'm lagging.
That's so weird. Dirt,
This
dirt.
tree's
I
gonna
don't
need to
have dirt.
go.
I don't
Oh
have
my
dirt.
goodness.
Excuse you, sir. What tree's gonna have to go? The one, oh, next to here.
I don't like it.
Yeah, we can get rid of that. Let me get some dirt really quick. I don't have a shovel, but...
I have some on me. Here. I threw it.
Okay.
Or
I
maybe
just have
it's,
like a
yeah,
spot.
it
Yeah, I
is.
just have this little spot here that I wanted to cover up. So I could... Nope! That cauldrons! What am I doing?
Cauldron!
That's
I
because I
love
have so much
that.
stuff in my inventory right now.
I'm not a fan.
Well, it's
No, almost I'm not.
5:35 right now, so we might as well
Yeah.
call it good for now.
Yeah.
Let me just use the rest of these blocks out of my inventory. There we go. Okay.